Yo, hold up, guys. I just want to formally introduce you to the 2-week challenge. Blake, what is the 2-week challenge? Well, let me break it down to you. We did a little experiment, a little case study with our credit repair niche, guys. We gave this 2-week challenge to these credit repair companies, and they blew it out of the waters, baby. You know what happened? They absolutely loved it. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to formally open this 2-week challenge to everybody, guys. No longer you're only going to use this for credit repair companies, but you can use this for just about any service-based or product-based business. And I guarantee you that you will get your next customer, your next client, whatever it is, your next sale utilizing these methods, or your money back, or I don't deserve to get paid, guys. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make some no-brainer, guys. It's only $47 for this 2-week challenge. And Blade, how is this different? How is this revolutionary? How is this gonna get me my next customer in 2 weeks? Well, let me break this down to you. We're gonna utilize 3 of my secret strategies that honestly a lot of your successful competitors have been probably implementing, but they don't want to tell you about. So, Blade, what are these 3 secrets? Let me break them down to you. 3 things come along with. First, your social media presence, guys. How to organize your entire social media presence to turn it into a powerful lead trap, so that when you're just doing things like organically talking to people, when you're posting content, when you're liking people's photos, people go back to your profile, they see what you do, they see that you're an expert in your field, they see that you know what you're talking about, that you're the shit, and they're gonna go do that conversion that you want them to do. Schedule a call, buy your product, whatever it is. But you gotta make sure that it's organized in such a way that it allows it to do that, just that conversion. Second thing that we have in this fantastic 2-week challenge that's going to get your next customer in 2 weeks. Guys, what do we have here is the content distribution method. And let me break down exactly what this is. Guys, I'm going to teach you exactly how to, I'm sure you guys have heard of Gary Vee, he says content is king. I'm going to show you exactly what he does, guys. The dude's worth $60 million. I'm gonna teach you his exact strategies, and it's cheap with a $47 product, but nowhere near is as cheap as the amount of value we provide you guys. So, what's the content distribution method? It's gonna teach you how to record something once, record something only once, and utilize that content for all of your social media platforms. I'm talking TikTok, I'm talking Facebook, I'm talking YouTube, I'm talking LinkedIn, I'm talking Instagram, I'm talking everything. Guys, imagine filming something once, all right? Film for like 30 minutes, like what I'm kind of doing right here. Film something once, guys, and have that automatically distributed among all your social media platforms for everybody to see, so that you can bring out the value to those people so that they can do the conversion that you want them to do. All right, guys, and the third secret, Blade, what is this third amazing secret that your competitors aren't telling me, guys? It's how to get more referrals, guys. So once you get those customers, guys, you want them to consistently bring you other customers. Matter of fact, referrals is, if it's not around 70% of your business, guys, there might be something internally wrong, and we'll fix that. No worries, guys. What I'm trying to say is referrals are huge, guys. It's how you seriously take your business from 0 to hero. So I'm gonna teach you a secret method that you can automatically get more referrals, get more people to buy your product, buy your service, utilizing these referrals automatically, guys. You're not gonna have to cold reach out to them. Hey, by the way, you like the product? Can you refer me over to somebody? You're not gonna have to do that. It's gonna be automatic, guys, all systematic, because we like systems when we're growing our business. And the last bonus things, guys, remember I was telling you about this crazy bonus that we have? Let me tell you. So guys, if all else fails, if all else somehow just doesn't work, you're not able to get a client in these 2 weeks, we have the bonus challenge right here, right? What this bonus challenge does is to teach you my exact tagging hustle to utilize Facebook and Instagram, utilizing a tagging method to get you your next customer, to get you your next client, utilizing my secret tagging hustle. And if you want to know more about it, click the link down below, guys. So like I said, you will get your next customer, you will get your next client within 2 weeks, guys, if you click the link down below right now and accept this offer, because it's not going to be out on the table for too long. So guys, thank you for watching. Click the link down below. Any questions on that landing page, click on that little blue messenger icon, and you can ask me any questions directly to me. Thank you, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Click the link down below right now. Do not miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Talk to you guys later. Peace out.